welcome to another vlog. I'm not gonna act like it's morning time right now because it's not, and that's just the honest truth. I am actually gonna be bringing you guys kind of like a weekend vlog, like a really chill weekend vlog, because I'm gonna be using this weekend to kind of get back on track with my life. As you can see in the back, I am still unpacking my stuff from my Canada trip. Still unpacking. Took out some of the clothes on, well, I took out all the stuff out of my suitcase right now, and I've started, like, it's been a week. Yeah, it's been a week, by the way. Yeah, yeah, but I've taken out everything out of my suitcases. I've done most of the stuff, but I still have a bit left to go, and I do have some laundry to do as well. So like some new things that I bought that I haven't gotten to wash, as well as a little bit of laundry that I ended up leaving behind, plus some that I brought back with me, like very minimal, because I kind of tried to do most of my laundry before I left. So yeah, so I have all of that to do, and I kind of want to clean up my room as well. My room's a mess, so I'm gonna do my sheets, wash my sheets, my blanket, everything. I'm not sure if I'm gonna wash my curtains, but I'm just gonna kind of give my room some love today, and I just wanted to bring you guys into that super chill, because you guys liked the last chill vlog that I did with me cleaning and doing laundry and stuff like that, so I want to do that. And also, I'm currently filming this during my quarantine vlog, which you guys have seen last. Tomorrow is the last day of my quarantine, so yeah. I was on a call with my friends earlier, and they were like trying to get me out of the house, and I'm just like, I mean, not during my quarantine, but like after the fact, trying to make plans already, and I'm just like, girl, I don't know, but we gonna see. But yeah, let's get into this day. bought it at Sephora, but I don't really like it. I decided to get it because I noticed that the ink list, or whatever it's called, the Inky list, had like some good reviews on like some of their products. So I was like, okay, they have an essay cleanser, let me try it. But I've been using this since I've been away, and I don't love it. Like, it's an okay cleanser. I think if you have like pretty like normal skin, this will be okay for you. But for me, I think I need a cleanser with like more essay in it, you know, with more salicylic acid in it, because I feel like this cleanser is mild, because it doesn't do for me what like a CeraVe would do. So I think I'm gonna keep it and I'll still use it, but I definitely think I need to get my CeraVe essay cleanser instead, because that one is like the best essay cleanser I've ever used. Like, it's strong enough for my skin. It is very strong, because when I started to use it the first time, I remember my skin got really dry and it was strong. Like, you could feel how strong it was on your skin. But after a while, your skin gets used to it, you know, you kind of have to break your skin into it. So instead of using it like every day, I would use it like probably 3 times a week. And then over time, my skin was able to tolerate it like every day. Even though sometimes I wouldn't use it every day, I'd use it like every other day. But I think that cleanser is really, really good if you have like issues with clogged pores and congestion in your skin and acne prone skin. I think that cleanser is really good. And I have like a congestion problem, so I need a cleanser that has a good amount of salicylic acid in there. And this one is okay, but it's not, it could be better. So when I was away, I was trying to find like the big bottle of the CeraVe, but I couldn't find it anywhere. I kept finding like the small ones, and I didn't want to buy the small one because the cost that I was seeing the small one for was the cost of the big bottle on Amazon. But by the time I was ready to order on Amazon, I had to leave, so I just didn't bother getting it. So I think I'm gonna check out Fontana here in Jamaica to see if, because Fontana usually has it. I don't know if they'll have the big bottle, but they have the small one. I'm gonna check Fontana to see what size they have. If they have the big one, I'll probably buy it here. If not, I'm probably gonna order on Amazon, which is what I did last time. And I'm probably gonna order like 2 bottles, because I just realized that there's no other essay cleanser like that one.
about it and I was like, wow, I feel like I want to work on being more gentle with others and with myself for 2022. Yeah. Because, let me tell you something about me. Me's a guy, but take sleep and man, enough dead. When take sleep and man, that me not in a no ism schism. No, that don't mean you must be stupid, you know. However, I think that I can be more gentle with others and with myself, and also in my approach. Because sometimes, you know, hear what the truth is. Sometimes you can accept things for what they are.
Hellshire right now. We're gonna get some food. I haven't been here in so long, so I'm kind of excited. My mom called me up and she was just like, we're going to Hellshire, do you want to come? I'm just like, yes, period. It's so pretty. Yo, it just got wet. lifted it from when I was in Canada with Vanessa. Y'all